Decline of Harappan civilization. Decline of the Harappan civilization, also known as the Indus Valley Civilization, remains a subject of debate among scholars, as there is no definitive explanation. Decline of this ancient civilization occurred around 1900 BCE, and several factors have been proposed to explain its decline. Here are some of the theories put forth. Environmental factors. One hypothesis suggests that changes in the environment played a significant role in the decline of the Harappan civilization. This includes shifts in the course of rivers, which could have affected agricultural practices and disrupted the irrigation systems that supported the civilization. Climate change, such as changes in monsoon patterns, has also been proposed as a contributing factor. Decline of trade networks. The Harappan civilization was involved in extensive long-distance trade networks, which contributed to its prosperity. It has been suggested that the disruption of these trade networks, possibly due to changes in regional power dynamics or conflicts, could have impacted the economy and led to the decline of civilization. Internal factors. Internal factors, such as political instability, social unrest, or the breakdown of centralized authority, have also been proposed as potential causes. Evidence of the destruction of certain structures within the cities, as well as the absence of large-scale warfare, suggests that internal conflicts or societal unrest may have contributed to the decline. Epidemics and disease. Disease outbreaks and epidemics have been suggested as a possible factor in the decline of the Harappan civilization. Skeletal remains at some Harappan sites show signs of diseases such as tuberculosis and leprosy, which could have had significant impacts on the population and the overall stability of the civilization. It is important to note that these theories are not mutually exclusive, and it is likely that a combination of factors contributed to the decline of the Harappan civilization. The exact sequence of events and the relative importance of each factor remain topics of ongoing research and investigation.